Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Ever thought about starting your own medicinal herb garden at home? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to get started and why it's easier than you think. First off, let me introduce you to a fantastic product, the Medicinal Garden Kit. This kit comes with all the seeds and guidelines you need to grow your own medicinal herbs, right in your backyard or even on your balcony. No pots included, but hey, you can use any container you like. Alright, let's get started. The first step is choosing the right spot. Herbs generally love sunlight, so pick a sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. If you're working with limited space, no worries, herbs do great in containers too. Next up, soil. Most medicinal herbs prefer well-draining soil. You can either buy potting mix from the store or make your own by mixing garden soil with compost or sand. Now let's talk planting. Follow the guidelines in your medicinal garden kit for seed depth and spacing. Some herbs, like basil and cilantro, grow quickly and can be harvested in just a few weeks. Others, like echinacea, might take a little longer but are totally worth the wait. Remember to water your herbs regularly, but don't overdo it. Most herbs prefer to dry out a bit between waterings, and don't forget to give them a little organic fertilizer now and then to keep them happy and healthy. So there you have it, a simple guide to starting your own medicinal herb garden at home. If you're ready to get started, check out the Medicinal Garden Kit using the link in the description. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Until next time, keep growing.